Hey guys, in this video we have personally reviewed the top 5 best wireless reverse camera for cars. We made this list based on our personal opinion and the hours of research. We sort this list according to its price and features. We have included options for every type of user. If you are searching for budget best backup camera for your car, then we list the product for you. If you want to know about the best prices and more information, you can check the description links below. So let's get started with the video. The 5th product in our list is Garmin BC30 Wireless Backup Camera. If your vehicle has a Garmin, Diesel, or Nuvi GPS unit, chances are you can add a factory accessory backup camera to your setup. This backup camera works using a wireless transmitter that is powered by your vehicle's 12-volt outlet. From there, the GPS unit will detect the camera and automatically show what's behind you when you put the vehicle into reverse when hardwired into the backup light circuit. The camera wirelessly transmits video on the 2.5 GHz band up to 45 feet and is rated at IPX7 waterproof. It produces a low-resolution 240p image to be backwards compatible with as many different models of GPS as possible, and doesn't have low light capability. It does have an extremely wide 140-degree field of view though. It's also wildly expensive for a camera only, but when paired with a Garmin display, will receive automatic over-the-air firmware updates, which is unique among all the backup camera we looked at. You can customize the backup lines to match your exact vehicle, and can pair up to 4 BC30 units together for a surround view. Additional cable extension and other accessories are also available. It has an acceptable 82% positive rating from about 1,200 reviews. The 4th product in our list is WolfBox G840H WolfBox 2.5K Mirror Dash Cam. If you want to go to an all-digital display instead of the AUTO-VOX T1's hybrid model, WolfBox's range-topping G840H offers the largest mirror-style monitor we think it's safe to put in your car. This 11.8-inch wide, 1440p screen offers about 33 square inch of viewing area, or about the equivalent of 2 iPhone 13s or Galaxy S22s end-to-end. It combines GPS, a built-in front 144-op dash cam, and rear 1080p camera. Functions include a pairing monitor, looping dash cam recording with collision sensor, reversing lines, and low light function. Where the T1 is a replacement for your existing mirror, the WolfBox straps onto it, which at least lets you take it off if it fails. WolfBox says they've addressed overheating, which is a common issue with high-resolution in-car screens, the interface, firmware, and a new Sony front sensor. The package includes a 32 GB micro SD card, which must be formatted to FAT32 before use, and WolfBox recommends upgrading to a 64 GB card. You will have to run cabling through the tailgate to connect the rear unit, and wire it into the reverse lamps for an auto-on function. An additional free hardware kit is available on request to free up a 12-volt port. The WolfBox backup camera has a good 84% positive rating from over 600 reviews. The 3rd product in our list is AUTO-VOX T2 Reverse Cam for cars. If you don't have an existing screen in your car, and don't want to surrender any dash or windshield real estate to a monitor, you can replace your mirror with one that's either a full-time display or, like the AUTO-VOX T2, one that has a conventional mirror with a 170-degree rear view display built in. The unit consists of a small waterproof license plate backup camera with backup LED attached to a frame, with a single wire that requires a hole drilled through the tailgate. By connecting it to the reverse lamps, the LED power on automatically at the right time. A splitter sends another wire forward through the cabin to plug into the mirror display. The display attaches to the permanently mounted rear view mirror clip, and 3 brackets are provided for different models, as well as an extension cable for large vehicles. Half of the mirror is a regular reflective mirror, and a 4.3-inch, 480p resolution screen is set into the left. Parking and guidelines are on by default. Backup camera mirrors are generally not a well-reviewed category, and AUTO-VOX has made a bewildering variety of very similar models over the years. We chose the T2 for our pick because of AUTO-VOX track record for similar products, and class-leading 87% positive rating from about 1,100 reviews. There is also a history of deceptive review practices for similar products, but we used 3 different review analysis tools and didn't detect any evidence of fraud for the T2. The second product in our list is Yakry Y28 True Wireless Reverse Camera System for cars. Yakry sells a wide variety of what appear to be rebranded generic backup cameras, but wherever they're sourcing them from, they have the best rating-to-value ratio we found in the category. The Y28 is one of their higher-end products and is compatible with Furrion pre-wired trailers, which extends its usefulness. It comes with a pair of identical cameras with infrared capabilities for night vision and a very wide 150-degree field of view. If you had the need and space for the monitor, there's no reason you couldn't mount both cameras behind the rear windscreen inside a car, truck, or SUV, and have an overlapping pair of rear views covering almost 180 degrees. The main screen is a 7-inch, 1080p non-touch display with capacitive buttons. It has backup guidelines and up to 70 hours of looping recording built in. The cameras link with Bluetooth over a claimed 220-foot range. In practice, expect a lot less if there's metal in between the screen and cameras, and there's the potential for interference. The cameras can either be hardwired or powered with a 9V battery, so a no-drill installation is possible. The Y28 has a very good 89% positive rating from almost 1,000 reviews, although some of those reviews are for previous versions of the system. Recent reviews appear consistent with this overall rating. The number 1 product in our list is Furrion Vision S Wireless Backup System. The Furrion Vision S earns a lot of superlatives. It's the most capable, has the most useful features, is the largest and most expensive. It's intended for RV and trailers, but this backup camera system would also be perfect for a truck with a cap or any large SUV with a major blind spot. It features a large remote unit that is designed to be screwed into the back of your vehicle. Although if exterior attachment tape can hold on a spoiler, it can probably hold on a camera. You would still have to drill a single hole for the power cord. It connects with a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection to a 4.3-inch touchscreen, with a quick-release suction cup windshield mount and dash stand. At this price point, you'd hope for a lot of features, and it has them. The only microphone and speaker in the list, touchscreen, infrared night vision, auto-wake motion detection, and virtual parking lines. As it's intended to be mounted high, its 120-degree angle is narrower than many others, and 720p camera resolution is disappointing. The low-resolution 480p SD display is even more disappointing, but you won't notice it as much with a small screen. You also have to go up to the even more expensive 5.0 or 7.0-inch display to get a multiple view option, but you can upgrade to those separately and keep the reverse unit. The whole system is modular, and you can even add additional wireless side cameras. The Furrion Vision S has a 91% positive rating from over 1,700 reviews. Despite a few drawbacks and questionable customer service, Furrion is a dependable name in mobile electronics, and the feature set of this backup camera earns it our editor's pick. Alright guys, this was our today's video. If you find this video helpful for you, then like the video, and if you come to our channel first time, then hit the subscribe button for our amazing upcoming videos. Be sure to check out the links in the description for the updated price of all products discussed in this video. Hope you have a great day and see you soon in the next video.